Go, go.
Mm-hmm. What happened?
Go, go.
Yeah.
Go, go, go. I want this.
What?
I want this racing game.
Do you have money?
So my guys have money.
That's a GH money, not yours.
It's buy from Best Buy. It's from to Best Buy. Go, go.
Mm-hmm.
It went to Best Buy.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Yeah. What you watching?
I'm nothing.
What is the guy talking?
Nothing.
Da, da, da. Unbelievable! Only three items. This cost $20. It's after some discounts already. Ta-da! These three, $20. Can you believe it? This already discount. This is, I think this one. How much is that? Which one? I think this one is $10. I think so. $15, but it's some discount, so there's $10. And this one, I think some $7-8. They give discount to $3, so that's only still have $5. And this, I forgot, but this total is $20. Whoa. School supplies so expensive now, everybody. Da, da. Yeah. And I forgot this. And this pen is $3.99. That's tax for some $4.25. Wow, school supply. Well, no wonder why I saw this on the news that people have some play for people who want to donate some school supply. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye. Yeah. Okay. Probably I will let you see after. Yeah, this one have 2, 4, 6, 6 different colors, I think. And then I have the lead in here. And this is yeah, that's mechanical pencil. And this is an eraser. See the bottom, top. There's have an eraser on the top too. And this one is washable marker. It's 10 cent marker washable. What the color they have here? Red velvet cake, raspberry macaron, mint chocolate chip, key lime pie, berry smoothie, caramel matcha, s'more, and a strawberry something. I don't have my reading class. Oh, strawberry shortcake, and the next one is what's that? Eye. Take your eye out. Something. Let me see. Let me show people what's that. Something upstick, dough cake. Anyway, look at this one. Okay. That's 3+. You qualify for playing this one. This one the 3+, but it's your sister's. Ask her. Not mine. It's your sister.
No, that is mine.
No, that's your sister. She bought it. Her money, not mine.
It's just mine.
And then
I think I like it.
when I got money, I gave it back to you guys. What you eat? Chicken nugget? How many you already done? Yeah, that's chicken nugget. Oh, just a little bit about school stuff. And this is your brother. Where is he now? He's in the room?
Yeah.
What he doing there?
I don't know.
Okay, thank you for everybody watching. See you next week. Bye. Let's put your hand in and say bye. Bye bye. It's gentle. You do so fast like that. The YouTube will like it. What you doing?
Draw. You want to draw?
You want to draw? Go ahead.
Don't know how to draw.
Right here, you have a.
Don't need my crayon anymore.
Your crayon? Here.
No.
That's not mine. That's your sister. Let's. I got.
I don't want to say more. I don't like
Yeah. So because I
like-
saw that is
it.
this little small amount of spoon supply is cost is $25. Where your two toys?